Right, it is nearly 4:40 in the morning. I'm here at London Gatwick Airport and I've just got off the coach ready to get a flight to Tenerife, where I will be joining the cruise ship Azura. But for now I'm going to go into the lifts into the terminal and maybe get something to drink and then obviously what I'll do then is wait for the flight before I can check in, because I've still got 2.5 hours before check-in opened. So here goes on the way to the terminal. Right, I've come up in the lifts and now I'm on my way to the departures and check-in. I've made it to the departure area. We've now got to wait before I can check in for the flight to Tenerife. Right, I've checked in, I've got my boarding pass and passport. So now I'm going to go through security. So I'll see you at the other end. Right, I'm through the security. I went through fast track security, which only cost me £6 and I was through quite quickly. I have booked a lounge, so I'm going to be there for the next few hours, but what I'm going to do, go to the lounge, have something to eat, drink and stuff, and then go towards the flights. The lounge I booked at Gatwick Airport was called My Lounge. It was the cheapest lounge within Gatwick Airport. There are other lounges which is more than £30, and this gave me access to the lounge for a couple of hours and unlimited food and drink while I was in the lounge. In the lounge I had some muesli with a cooked breakfast which consisted of omelettes, sausage, bacon and beans. Then I had some cider with Diet Coke and also some yogurts with some Fanta and then some pastries to finish off. Right, I've just been to the lounge. Some lounges now are starting to fill up. It is 9 o'clock. Now I've got to wait to see which gate the flight is actually leaving from. So the info should be on the screen within the next 20 minutes and then hopefully then I can go over to the gate and then get on to the flight. Right, they've just announced the gate and I'm on my way to gate 33. This was a chartered flight and the airline was Jet2. Please note on this flight there is no free drink or food included in this flight, but you can purchase drink and food at a cost. Right, I got my case at Tenerife. I'm now heading towards the coach. I've been through passport control, the Spanish immigration. So yeah, I'm going to head towards the coach now, where I will make it on to Azura. I'm on the coach and now I'm on my way to Azura. Right, I've just been past through passport control again at the cruise port, and I'm just walking beside Azura and heading towards the gangplank. I've made it on Azura, and I then go to muster station B for check-in and then on to my cabin. After unpacking and sorting myself out in the cabin, I decided to go for an evening meal at Sindhu, which is one of Azura's speciality restaurants. I have poppadom with dips. I have spicy chicken with salad and also dips included. I also have tandoori chicken with sauce and salad. I also have rice and cauliflower and also some sauce to go with the main meal. Plus there's some chapati to go with it. Then I have cinnamon bread and butter pudding with custard. Then it was followed with some Indian sweets. The drink throughout the meal I had was Cobra. After Sindhu, I decided to retire for the night as it was such a long journey to get to Tenerife and then eventually the 40-45 minute drive to Azura.